This is Godden Falls. It is the waterfall of the gods in Iceland. The waterfall was just amazing. We're visiting this waterfall, and from the sky, it looks like a horseshoe. Actually, the water surrounding the area was beautiful too. This is some wild horses. Just a great time. The rock formations in the area was beautiful, caused from the volcanoes around the area. Notice the sign. This is hilarious. And this is in the volcanic area. You'll see water bubbling. It was a sort of a smell. We had a lot of fun with this. So again, this is in the volcanic area, very active volcanoes in this area. And again, you'll see just steam coming up out of the ground, water in different areas bubbling. So just amazing. The volcanic area, the tour guide did say, watch where you walk. You could fall in. The water was temperatures over hundreds of degrees. Again, you can see it bubbling up from the ground. So it was a mixture of hot and cold water. Mary, what's that smell? Look at that smell. Candace. What's that smell, Candace? Look at this, man, it smells so bad. It stinks. Everybody's running around trying to hold their nose. Not my wife. She's taking it like a champ. Look at her. She likes this. She's talking about it.
Nasty.
It's nasty smelling it, y'all. So